Yeah, it's fine. So now it is a time to see to move forward and to complete the topic. So the topic is, what is our last class topic, Amma? What is our last class topic? Reduce function. Reduce function is our topic. Okay, so let us move to the reduce function topic here. So there we have reduce function, special function concept. So this is the function, reduce function. Last class we already understand the working functionality of reduce function. And there, now syntax of reduce function, and reduce function belongs to the module called what? Function tools. Function tools. Okay. So reduce function returns how many values? Reduce function returns how many values? Reduce function returns only one value at a time. Two values, huh? Kumar, two values or one value? It is going to return only one value. It is going to return only one value. And the type can be int type or float type or str type, depends on the values you have. Okay. So let us move forward to the reduce function. And the diagram also explained you. And the diagram also explained. This type of diagram is explained for you. The diagram is explained. And this last class, what we done is, this is an explanation which I gave you step by step in the class. Step by step I explained in the classroom. Right? Now, it is a time to see, to go for an example now. Write down, write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will find highest and lowest elements, highest and lowest elements, highest and lowest elements, highest and lowest elements from the given list of elements, from the given list of elements. From the list of elements. Right condition. Accept the list of elements dynamically. 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 Now enter into the discussion. So how to get the elements dynamically? We need to go for learning into the class. So look at that. Reduce example 1.py. Reduce example 1.py. Now I am going to get it. Reduce example 1.py. There I am going to take something like this. Look at ma. So now I am taking lst is equal to, of course, main program I will write it. Here only I will write it. lst is equal to, so there I will take int of x for x in input dot split for x in split input of dot what split of, like this. Now I will say print of enter list of values separated by space. Right. So those list of values we are taking here, input of, split of. And today's class is very simple. Last class discussion only we are doing it. LST is equal to int of x. Now writing for x in split of that. So LST is prepared. Now we need to find the biggest element among that. What we do? Reduce function, we will write it. How do you write the reduce function? Big is equal to, I am writing directly, big element is equal to, easy for you, reduce of lambda, already you are well aware of. What we do? X comma y, colon, already you are well aware of the ternary operator. X, if x greater than y, else what? Y. So the value, biggest value may be x or biggest value may be y. So in this case of what? Your diagram, if you take it, if you take the diagram here, x and y, first time x and y, two values are coming. So let me write a comma, what I am writing? LST. First time what are picked up? Two values are picked up. Two values are what here? The values, assume that this is your LST, 10, 20. These are the two values, x and y will be picked up. And in that, either x is written as a big or y is written as a big. The biggest element will be kept in x only. So that is what we are doing here. So in this case of that, what is our xy? 10, 20 for example. 10 greater than 20. What is that? False. False means what? Returned y. Where is that y value will be kept in x? See that y value will be kept in, result will be obtained and kept into x. See our concept. See, beginning only. Somebody's video is on, please switch off your video. So first step, first two elements will be taken from iterable object, and the next step is to apply it to the same function in such a way that previously obtained result and the next succeeding element of iterable object. Previously obtained result, here you see, result is obtained. Keep that previously obtained result into the variable x, and next succeeding element will be placed. What is the next succeeding element here? In our diagram of it, 20. 10 and 20, result is obtained and kept into x. Next succeeding element will be 30, that is in y. Apply to the same function. And 10 and 30, again 30 is a bigger, kept in x. And 30 and 10, next succeeding element, 30 and 10, biggest element is what? Here x only. Keep the result in x only. Next succeeding element is what? 40. 30 and 40, succeeding element, what is the bigger element? 40. 40, keep it in x. Next succeeding element is 50. 40 and 50 comparison. 50 is more. And 50 kept in x. 50 and 40, 50 is only that. And return that result x. And that final result, no elements are there in that. Finally, return that element into big. See how small example it is. So I will print biggest element. So I will print original elements. Once I will print it, original elements I will print dot format of I'll take it as LST. Next I will take it as, next I will say print big is equal to I'll say here dot format of big. To find the smallest element in this, let me show you this, then I will go for the next part. So I'll take here, of course these are all very simple. In yesterday's class only, majority of the discussion was over. Majority of the discussion was completed. So save this code. Go to the location of it in the special place. Reduce example 1.py. Coming to the command prompt. Say some G colon. Say, now I am saying that KVR Python 4 PM. Say something like a special functions. There you do that. 5. And then see that enter list of values separated by space. Some 10, 20, some 34, some 56, some 123, some 45 minus 34 and then some 56. These are my elements. So what happens here? Comma I gave you. So comma should not be given. By mistake I gave comma. So comma should not be given. So by mistake I gave comma. So reduce function is not defined. What I told you last class? Reduce function is present in where? Reduce function is present in where? Function tools. I need to import this. First time we are going to say the concept to you, import. So far we did not see any kind of thing. Import function tools. It is the name of the module. Next topic is our module concept only we are entering. Function tools. Then I am writing here. Then I am writing here. Here you need to write. Reduce is a function which is present in function tools. I must call it. How do you call it? Function tools I need to call. The module name dot your function name you need to call. That syntaxes and all those things I will tell you in the next module sessions. I will tell you. Function tools dot reduce. So see that now asking enter the values. These are the values you are entering. Biggest is equal to 123. Biggest is equal to 123. Okay. This is a way you can apply. Any number of values you enter. -1, -2, -34, 0, -23, -45, -2. Like this you enter. Biggest element is equal to 0. If you want to find the smallest element, smallest element you want to find. Again you define one more reduce function. Small is equal to func function tools. I'll tell you another way of what? Reduce. What we should do? Reduce of lambda function we will write it. How do you write lambda? Lambda, same a comma b or x comma y, whatever you feel. X comma y. What is that condition? Colon x. What is that? If condition you just change it. It is x greater than x less than y. X less than y. Else y. Say LST. Just a condition is changed. And the smallest element is equal to. Small is equal to. Format of like this. Now you see, now I am taking, enter the list of values. These are the values I am having. List -45. Small is called -45. You say previously we enter some list of elements. Small is called -34. -34 we entered. So we got this type of minus. Highest element is called 123. Here big is called that and small is called -40. I hope that this is clear for you people. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear? Spurti. Now it is simple, ma. X and Y. So far I explained 3-4 times. LST values are picked up and kept into XY. If X greater than Y, keep the result into. If X greater than Y, if it is satisfied, keep the X result into X. If not satisfied, keep the Y result into X. Next succeeding element of LST will be picked up. That will be kept in Y. Again, it is applied to the same condition. Until how many times it will be repeated? Until all elements are completed. So, yes, already we told you, na? Already we told you. Yeah, this is for finding max and min. If you want the second biggest and second smallest or whatever it is, I told you already to find the second and all those things. Happily we can find. How do you find? Just for a minute you see. Just for a minute you are asking that second one or something you are asking. 1 minute you see. That I already told in my class itself. So because you are getting here, that's why you are getting the doubt. Already we applied that type of thing. LST dot, what you are applying? Sort function you apply. LST dot sort you apply. Then you print. What do you want? Second, what is that? Second biggest is equal to, you are writing dot format of tell me what is that last biggest. So LST of what I'm saying of, come on, len of I will take LST minus 2 I am applying. Right, minus 2 I am applying. len of LST of minus 2 I am applying. So getting the last biggest element is sort the data. First you sort the data. After sorting, elements of sorting I will print it. Print of sorted elements. If you see the order now, at least you can understand format of LST. So these elements are like this. Last element is, biggest element is called 123. 123 I got it. Second biggest is called 56. I got it. Right. What? Spurti, I explained 4 or 5 times so far. 4 or 5 times I explained so far. Still, if you are having doubt, means what is ma? Okay, last and final I am explaining for you. Last only I am explaining. Last and final. Right. Last and final I am explaining. Even I tired because of the same thing explained again and again. Okay, look at LST. This is called LST. So need to import. These are called LST values. Apply. Last and final. Even I myself feeling a little inconvenient. Right. Lambda x comma y, x if x greater than y, else y comma LST. If you understand, well and good. Otherwise, last and final I am explaining. Because nobody will explain this many times. First values of what? LST. First values of x and y are 10 and 20. 10 and 20. X greater than y. 10 greater than 20. False. False means what is the value? Y is coming. That y kept into x. Here you see carefully. Y value kept into x. Next succeeding element. What is the value of x now? 20. Next succeeding element in LST. What is the next succeeding element in LST? Not 20, my dear students. It is a 30. Already 2 elements are picked up. 30 will be the next succeeding element. English must be known first. LST. X is already 20. Result is there. Next succeeding element is 30. 30. Apply the condition. 20 greater than 30. Again false. What is the value of it? Y value will be taken into x again. Right. Next succeeding element is called what? 30. Next element is called 30. 30 will be there. Biggest, and the next succeeding element is 10. 10 and 30. That is 30 greater than 10. It is true. What is the element here? X. X value will be kept into x only. That is a 30 only. Here. 30 only. Next succeeding element of this 40. Next succeeding element is 40. Next 30 and 40. Come to that. 30 greater than 40. False. Y value 40. 40 will be kept in x. X is 40. Next succeeding element of next one. 50. 50 will be in y. Already x contains a result. 50, 40. 40 greater than 50. False. Y value will be kept in x. X is 50. Next succeeding element is called a last element. Right. 50 and 40. 50 greater than 40. True. X value. That is called kept in x. No more element in LST. That time return to the value of x. That time return to the value of x. That is called 50 will be the biggest. That is the result. The filter lamp, the reduce function will do that. The reduce function will pick up the first two elements in the beginning only. That is the functionality internally what reduce function will do. First time, reduce function will take two elements. First time only that will take two elements. Here the function itself is saying, reduce function will take first two elements. That's why we are writing two values. The internal functionality of reduce function will be that only. Right? Take this code. Any doubts are there? Last 15 minutes. Write this code, ma. So this logic I already told you in the sort methodology. If you see, the sort function logic is not necessary at this time. Already this logic was there with your sort function. If you observe it, if you want, you can take it. Otherwise, not necessary to write. Only 13th line you write. Already this is explained. Already explained. Already old things cannot be explained again, ma. For your kind information, if I go on doing that, Python will take 2 years to complete. Okay, please see that case. This import, this is a module name. This I will explain. Next big discussion will be starting. It is a new topic is starting from Monday. That day I will explain the import meaning. At this point of time, we just used it. It is something like including your header file in C language. It is something like importing your packages in Java. So like that, we are importing this kind of function tools. That is not necessary to worry at this time. In the further, when I come to the modules concept, we will go for it. Yes, ma. Kaushal Tata, I will explain today. So after completion of it, let me know this. Right. Completed. Let me take one more example. Complete more. Right, ma. Next one more you write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will find the sum of 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 list of elements list of elements list of numerical values, right? List of numerical values list of numerical values list of numerical values. Simple. So what are the numerical values here? You take these elements here. What is this logic we followed here? What is the logic we followed? So if I take an example, once you see last and final, you see here some list of elements you are taking. So I will take some 3 to 4 elements and there we will move into that. So here these are the elements we are having. Now we need to add them. So finding this, suppose the element is called 10, the element is called 20, and like that you take whatever the elements you like it. And this is called 4, this is called 4, and this is called 6, and this is called minus 6. Minus 6. Logic is called what? Addition. Addition. No need to take any sum is equal to 0. That is our old style. That is we are going for what? Functionality of reduce. First what values will be taken? X and Y values will be taken. X and Y value will be taken. This is called X. This is called X. This is called Y. X and Y will be added. X and Y will be added. And where the result will be kept? How much is the result? 30. 30. Beginning, 2 elements will be picked up. Who will do that elements? Reduce function will take. 30 will be called as where? Kept in X. Very good. Kept in X. Next, what is the next succeeding element will be considered? Next succeeding element will be considered as 30. 30. Next succeeding element is called 30. So 30 will be coming into this place. There I am writing what is this result called? 60. 60 in where? X. 60 in X. Next succeeding element is called 4. Next succeeding element is called 4. So Y will be going on changing Keep in mind, Y will be going on changing. This was Y earlier. Now that was shifting to next lines. So this is Y now. This is at this point of time, this is Y. Now X and Y is added. Result will be kept in where? X. What is the result here? 64. 64 kept in where? X. 64 kept into X. Next is going to be called what here? 64 with what? With what? Another one. So Just it is going to be what? This is called y. Already you are aware of that. This is called shifted to this place. It is called y here. It is called y. It is going to be called as what here? How much? 64 plus 6. How much it is? 17x. 17x. Right? Next, this will be considered. This is y is removed. This is y is considered. Y is considered. Now, y is considered. Now this y and x will be considered here. This is added both of them. And this is finally what? 64. 64. 64, no more elements will be picked up. It is called what? Returned y. This element will be returned. This is returned. Return what? 64. Return x. Return that x. This is called x. X. Right? So once you return x, it is going to be done. Returning that value. So this is called a diagram, simple diagram is. So very, very simple. So how do you write the code? Now, here I will take as usual up to here it is same. Up to here it is same. Up to here it is same. See, Python here. Python here. This is called example 2. Function tools. Number of elements are coming. Separated by comma. This time separated by comma I will take. Separated by comma. Separated by comma here. I am writing comma. Okay. List is ready. Tell me, what is the logic? Can anybody can write the logic? So simple. List sum is equal to. List sum is equal to. What should I write here? Reduce. Reduce. That too I need to call function tools dot. FUNC tools dot reduce of. Come on. Lambda x comma y colon x plus y comma LST comma LST. That's it. LST. Okay, one bracket only, na? One bracket only. So done. Comma. It is another style of. It is another style of. So another style of comma separated values. Earlier space separated values. List some value I will print. X comma y LST. So first two elements will be picked up. So I will print. I will print original elements. Original elements of list. Of list is equal to dot format of LST. Now I will write print sum of list elements is equal to, I say, format of what? List sum. Right, ma? Say reduce example 2. Reduce example 2 dot py. Reduce example 2 dot py. Yes. Now coming to this point here, reduce example 2 dot py. Enter the values. So separated by comma, 10 comma, 20 comma, 30 comma, 40 comma, 50 comma, some minus 6 comma, minus 4 comma, 10. So the elements are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Up to here is called what? 150. This is gets cancelled. 10 no, this minus 10 gets cancelled. So the elements are like this. If I enter something like 10, 20, only two elements, result is called 30. This is a way how you can find the elements. This is a way how you can find the elements. Okay. So we understood that part. So write down. Malesh, very good. Right. You are my core Java student also, right? Yes, ma. Yes, very good. So at 3:30, we had yes, ma. Okay, okay. You are commerce student. Very nice. Good. Learning good. At 3:30, of course, yes, ma. Thank you. At 3:30, I spoke to NASCAM people. NASCAM. Of course, don't feel that we are proud of it. Yes, we really feel proud of it. They took the curriculum of both Python as well as Java. They took the curriculum of both Python as well as Java. So it's really, I gave the curriculum of ours and Java also. They said that, sir, this much depth is not necessary. You reduce to 2 months. We give the content only for 2 months. So I shortcut something. I gave the 2 months of things. So why they contacted to us only? Because understand it. So don't miss my class. One or two students are asking, sir, I missed 2 days class, 3 days class. Please open that, sir, like that. If I open that one in middle of it, some hundreds of students are there. They will miss or not. So please don't miss my class. Yes, yes, ma. Venkatesh K. It's exactly. So going to do that. Yes, ma. That's nice. Write down this code. I have actually the proposal of conducting online programming test, but which is not supporting the things. Now I'll give you a small example for you. How do you do it quickly? I just want to see in your class. That's what how to conduct it. That's the main thing because monitoring is also important. Yes, complete it. I will give you one small test for you. Within 2 minutes, you need to submit to me. Within 2 minutes, you need to submit to me. Don't search in Google or somewhere else. Of course, you search in Google also, you won't find it. I can easily find out when you search in the Google. Completed, huh? If you complete it, I will give one homework. I will give you one small test for you. Within 2 minutes test only. Then I'll go for so many days. You people are asking about that Roman number, Roman number. Okay, write down the test question. Write down the 2 minutes test. Only 2 minutes. Your time starts now. It is 4:49. It is a 4:49 in my system. After question is dictated, we'll see it may be changing to 4:50. Write a Python program which will find which will find which will find which will find product of product of product of first n natural numbers. It was a small question in one of the company test, small test. Write a Python program which will find the product of first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers. Product of first n natural numbers using first n natural numbers using reduce function where n must be the positive integer value 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 where n must be the positive integer value. Yeah, within 2 minutes you need to. Now it is 4:51 when the question is dictated. Now 4:53 you need to submit. I told clearly use reduce function I said. Use reduce function I said. Kaushal Tata, you have written only one statement. I said n is a positive integer value. N is the positive integer value. And you are taking LST, not I am taking random elements. Not you are taking LST, which is not a random elements. No. First n natural numbers. Question. Suppose if I say n is 5, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. If I say n is 10, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into up to 10. That is the what I am expecting. Mr. Manish Rana. Lambda function will take two arguments, Nama. Reduce function will pick up two values. Two values it will take. Check your condition once. And your syntax should support also. What is the syntax? Reduce of function name, comma, iterable object. It's over. It's over. Reduce function will not return positive or negative. Reduce function will not expect positive or negative marks. Please keep in mind. Okay. Anyhow, I did not get the correct answer. I did not get the correct answer. No. Yes. Simonchal may be giving that. Simonchal may be giving that. Okay. Simonchal. Okay. Kishan also giving. Very nice. Kishan, right answer, ma. Kishan is very perfect. Kishan is perfect. Kishan is perfect. Yeah, others not expected. Up to the expectation, not. Up to the expectation, no. I did not expect it. Fine, ma. Can I do it or you will do? Can I do it or you will do? Come on, don't make your time waste. I will do it. Not next time you are asking so many days onwards your logics. That is Roman number and all, because it was asked in once in a one of the company. If it comes means again he will come on me only. Come on, will you do it or I go to next logic? Okay, leave it. No problem. Okay, Prashanti, you will do okay. No, ma. Okay, you will do it. Okay, nice. Do it. Homework, you take it. So all the people, will you do that? No, logic, please, you are asking. Logic, you are asking. Simple ma, range of 1 comma n plus 1. Range of 1 comma n plus 1. That is a iterable object. That is a iterable object actually. It's a iterable object. range function, you need to use it. Okay, if anybody don't want, because most of them are not saying anything, so they may feel that sir may feel something, or if we ask again like that, they may feel. That's why just I will try to do it here. You please follow it. Now I will take this logic, because if this comes means again it will be a problem. Look at ma. I'm not seeing your window ma. Look at 3. I'm writing here. Enter value of n. That means up to how many numbers you want. Up to how many numbers you want. Enter value of n. Value of n. That is how many natural numbers you want. Right? I'm taking it as directly. I can take it as n is equal to int of input of. Okay, done. We got it. If n less than or equal to 0, n less than or equal to 0, I'll say that invalid input. Invalid input I will say. So is invalid input. Is invalid input, right ma? Format of n. Yes, format of n. Suppose if it is else, in else part I will hold that result. res1 is equal to, simple, you already know that, reduce of, first you need to prepare the lambda function. That only how we will write it. What is that? N is called 4 for 5 for example. 5 means what? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 5. That means I have to prepare the range of numbers. Already data types why we covered it to get the knowledge like this. 1 comma n plus 1. If I say n plus 1, it will apply as 1 to n plus 1 minus 1. It will take exactly 1 to n. 1 to n. There I will write a lambda function. From this range is nothing but a sequence of values only. Some list range of values only. That range of values I want to supply. How many range of values will be picked up first? How many values will be picked up? 2 values. Gautam Kumar, yes ma, now you got it. So x comma y or a comma b, whatever it is, a comma b colon a star b product. 2 values will be picked up. Reduce function, first iteration picked up 2 values. The result will be kept in b. Next, succeeding elements will be going on picked up until that iterable object values are complete. Print sum is equal to, I will say, first I will print there only. I'll say print of, I'll take like this. Now I'll say some range of values. So print, I will say print product of, I'm just writing. Actually main logic is this only. Product of first n natural numbers. For product of, first I will write complete line. Product of first n natural numbers. I am writing. Dot format of I am writing n here. N. There I will take this product. I will take complete example. I am writing with the full presentation part. There I will print that elements. How do you print that elements? For I in range of 1 comma n plus 1. I will print that elements ma. 1 minute ma. Let me print it. Later we will verify it ma. So backslash t. I'll just say format of I will take it. Then I will print the result also. What is that result? After printing that, it is coming to else part. Or after that, I will write the result like this. Then there I will write it. As what? Product. So product. I am writing here product. Colon. Now I am writing dot format of what is that? res1. This is a way. So function tools is there. You can write this part as what? From function tools. This is another level of it ma. From function tools. In the module level I will import ma. From function tools. Import. I will say reduce. Like this I can write. That time I can write reduce function directly. These are the ways and means I will tell in the modules. From function tools module, we are importing the function called reduce. So I am using only reduce function. So let us save this code. Reduce example 3.py. So enter the number of numbers 5. So I'll be getting, what is this? Replacement 1 index out of range positional arguments. What happens? 9. Line number 9. What happens? Okay, this I should not write two things. I should not write two things. Only one. N, something like 5. So I'm getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm getting the result as what? 1 into 2 into 3 into etc. All the values are coming. 5. If I say something like 3, I'll get the result of 1, 2, 3. I'll get the result of 1, 2, 3. I'll say result is called 10. I'll get 10. 10 is the value like this. So this is a way how you can do it. So complete main thing is this part only. It is something like that only. It is something like Arindam powder. Yeah, something like that only. This is the main logic here. It is the main logic. Okay. So take care about that. It is the first n natural number product, first n natural number sum. First n natural number sum means plus you need to do it. Something like that we need to do it. Some natural numbers squares, a into a plus b into b, and whose sum, all those things will go on coming across. Okay, right. So you try by yourself as another homework you try. Next line you write. I hope you complete that, and I will give you two more cases. You do the homework. CH Durga Prasad, that itself is not there in mathematics, ma. That itself is not there in mathematics. That itself is not there in mathematics. If you write quickly, then I will go for the next one. Last example, I will tell you that is Roman number and all those things. Dear students, I'm waiting for you, ma. Please complete it. Line 2 simple, ma. From module function tools. From module function tools, I am importing one function. Reduce is a function. From which module? This module. In this module, so many functions are there. Which one I am importing? Reduce function I am importing. This part you don't worry. I will take in the next chapter is called modules only. We will discuss that part only. Nothing to worry about that. Yes. Now write down, ma. Today I will upload all the things, ma. Upload up to so far whatever is done this entire week. I will upload. Write down the code once again. Homework you write. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate. Which will calculate. Which will calculate sum of first n natural numbers. 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 Next, second, same. Write a Python program which will find sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Because when you go to data science level, this type of statistical programming will come into the picture. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers. Sum of squares of n natural numbers. Next, last. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will calculate reduce function only. All these things are reduce function only. Write a Python program which will find sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. Suppose if it is 1 to 5, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube like 5 cube. Sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. For all the three things, use reduce function. One more you write it. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept different list of words. Which will accept different list of words. Which will accept a different list of words. Which will accept a different list of words. Which will accept different list of words. And convert into a single sentence. And convert into a single sentence using reduce function. Using reduce function. These are all very easy for you. You try to do it. Right. Now coming to the so many days onwards, people are asking conversion of ordinary number into Roman number. Conversion of ordinary number into Roman number. Even around, I can say 50 plus people are saying the same thing again and again. Let me convert that old demand. We will do. Sagar Kishore. I'm remembering, ma. I will do it, ma. Don't worry. I will do it. Even if I don't do it in today. Next day also, we will be having modules. Na? Functions will be coming. So many things will come. We will do it. That is your demand from so many days onwards. Okay, I will tell you that. Nothing to worry about. That is very, very simple actually. Okay, na? Right. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept an ordinary number. Which will accept an ordinary number. Which will accept an ordinary number. And convert into a Roman number. Convert into an equivalent Roman number. Convert into an equivalent Roman number. Actually, I thought of you will do it, but you said that giving the reverse homework for me only. Okay. Anyhow, we will do it. First of all, Roman numbers, do you know or you don't know? One day you asked the logic also. I told you the logic also, but you did not. Okay. Logic, I will start, ma. So please take all of you logic, please. So first of all, logic, all of you. So first we will go on doing the logic. All of you carefully observe it. Logic also I told you. Yes, ma. Prabhat, you did. Okay, very good, ma. Nice. Nice. Let me tell to others. So, come on, all of you. So, 1. What is the 1 Roman number? I will write I. I, that is. Next is called what? 5. 5. That is called 5. The 5 number is what? Okay, first I will do like this. 1. I will take 5. On the top of it, 5 I will take it. What is the 5 here, ma? V. It is called V. Next 4 also I will take. Possibilities of Roman numbers I will take. That is called what? Okay, let me see your chart window whether you have the knowledge or not first of all. Come on like this. Next is called IV. Next is called IV. Okay, right. 10 is called what? X. Naveen, not like this, ma. You just follow me. We know up to only 10 numbers. Not 10 numbers is enough. More than that is required. 9. What is that 9? IX. IX. So IX is required. Let us follow carefully. IX I am taking. Okay, now IX. Okay. Up to that everybody knows. 50. 50. What is the 50 value, ma? Which I told you already in the class. L. Okay. 40. 40 please. 40 please. XL. XL. That is XL. Next I will take 100. 100 is called what? C. C. 90. What is the 90? XC. XC. Can anybody can tell 99? Can anybody can tell 99? No. Shravani is saying that IC. Naveen is saying IX. IX. Naveen, IX. Huh? Right. IC. IC. Rajeshri is saying that IXC. IXC. Very great. IC. Oh, IC. Wrong answer that is. That is all wrong answers. Yes. Yes. So 99 contains, we cannot do whatever you like it. 99. You are expecting that C, we are most intelligent students. C is called, here, Sar said that 10 is called X. IX means Sar is writing one left side, that is called a 9. Like that you are thinking. 9, 99. If I write 1 this side, it is becoming IC. IC, UC, which is wrong. So 99 is containing, and you don't ask me why wrong. Mathematics does not contain any scientific proofs directly. 90 plus 9 it is contained. 90 plus 9 ma. 90 contains what? A possibility called XC. XC and IX. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. That is the way you need to display. For the kind information of all of you, we need to be careful, not IC. Okay, right? We got it. Okay, next let me move forward. 500. 500. 500 is called what? D. D. 400 is called what? 400 is called CD. 400 is called CD. 1000 is called what? M. 900 is called what? CM. This is the data. This is the data. Normal numbers, NN, Roman numbers, RN. I got Roman numbers, normal numbers I got it, Roman numbers I got it. This is the possibilities you have. Now you can take any number and you can start converting it. Sir, how to do it, sir? Let us just take one small example here. Take small example. I will take 2898. I will take it. 2898. Be careful, ma. Because in my logic interpretation only you will get the powerful discussion. See, this is my number. Given number is called n is equal to 2898. So when this number is given, you need to start comparing this number from the highest Roman number onwards. See my explanation. Is n is containing the 1000? Is n is containing 1000? Look at first. Look at all of you. Say, try to answer it my question. Is n is containing 2898? Kaushal Tata, you only asked. Listen, answer my questions. N is equal to 2898. Yes or no? No. Yes. All of you responded. Yes. Yes means what? Print one M. Print one M. Once one M is printed, how to do the logics I am talking about? Result anybody will print 1000 plus etc. Subtract 1000 from the given number. Subtract 1000 from the given number. What is left out? What is left out here? One M is printed. Left out is called what? 1898. Again you compare. That is kept into N only. That is kept into N only. Again compare. Is my number 1898 contains 1000? Is it contain 1000 again? Yes. So print one more M. When one more M is printed, subtract one more 1000 from the given number. Subtract one more 1000 from the given number. Yeah, it's subtracting. How much is left out there? How much is left out there? 898. 898. Is 8, that is called N. Left out number is called N, that is. Right. Next I need to do what? Is 898 contains 1000? No. 2 M's are already printed. Is 898 contains 1000? No. Next slot. Is 898 contains 900? No. No. Is 898 contains 500? Yes. Print one D. Print one D. One D is containing means subtract how much now? Subtract how much now? 500. That is N is equal to how much now? N is equal to how much, ma? 398. 398. 498. 398. 398. Is 398 contains 400? No. Is 398 contains 100? Yes. Subtract 100. Subtract 100 and then you print C also. When you subtracted that number, what is my number is containing here? N is containing 298. Is 298 contains again 100? Yes. Print one more C. Print one more C. Subtract 100 and then left out number is what? N is equal to 198. Is 198 contains 100? Is 198 contains 100? Yes. That is C. Another C is printed. Subtract 100 from the given number. Which is left out is called what? 98. N is equal to 98. Right. Only Mr. Sumit Kumar is interacting with me like anything. All of them are just enjoying. Naveen Kumar and Sumit Kumar is interacting with me. Very good students. All of them are just enjoying. Right? 98. So 98 is containing 90. 98 contains 90. Yes. Print what? XC. 90 subtract from that. 90. Left out is called what? Left out element is called what? N is equal to 8. 8. Is 8 contains 5. Sorry, where is the 50? 50, this is 50. No. Is n contains 40? No. Is 8 contains 10? No. Is 8 contains 9? No. Is 8 contains 5? Yes. Print what? V. Subtract minus 5. Subtract minus 5. How much is left out? How much is left out? N is equal to 3. N is equal to 3. Is 3 contains 4? No. Is 3 contains 1? Yes. Print I. Subtract what? Subtract 1, which is equal to 2. Is 2 contains 1? Yes. Print 1. Is, that is subtract 1 again. 1. Is 1 contains 1? Yes. Print what? I. Subtract what? Minus 1, which exceeds to 0. 0 does not contain Roman number. Finished. This is called syllabus. This is called a subject. I want the logic, ma. I want logic. So TC, I will write 3000, 3456 is equal to 3000 plus 400, 400, 400 plus 50 plus 6. Anybody can do it. I am not expecting this. I am not expecting this. This is anybody can do it, na? 1000 place, 100s place, 50 place. Not that. Not this. I want the logic part, how to do it. Of course, you don't feel it because when I am saying something, you have to trace it. That is, you are improving the logic. Right. So you need to go for this kind of discussion. There are so many logics are there. There are so many logics are there. I will write at least 9 logics for this. 9 logics I will write it. 9, not 1 or 2. 9 logics I will write it. So you need to go for writing the code for this. Yeah, Prabhat, I will write 9 logics for that. So we will go for writing this logic. Now tell me, I will use with conditional statements and looping statements. I will use conditionals and loopings. Within 10 minutes, I'll write the code. Now tell me, if I is printing, there is a possibility of printing. Symbol I can print one time or more than once, according to your knowledge. Is the symbol I will print once or more than once? Rajshekar Reddy, you see how many times this I is printing? I. One time or more than once? More than once, then why you are saying one time, sir? And 1 is one time, So many times. Many times means looping. While loop. While loop I will use it. While loop I will use it. Now tell me, for IV will print one time or more than once? IV will print. IV will print one time or more than once. One time only it will print. If I will use if. Why, sir? Suppose if you take, sir, 444. If you take 444, as our student said, 400, sir, plus 40, sir, plus 4, sir. See, even though there are 4 4s are there, it is only 4 is coming one time. Your salary is 444. They are saying that IV will not print. IV I will print. You will get 12 rupees only. So I have to get 400 rupees plus 40 rupees plus 4 rupees I need to get it. So 4 is coming how many times? One time only. Now tell me, V will come how many times? V will come how many times? One time only. V will come one time only. Next, IX will come how many times? IX will come how many times? One time only. That is if statement. This is if statement. Next, X will come how many times? X will come how many times? More than one time. That is called while I will use. XL will come how many times? XL. One time only. If. Next, L will come how many times? L. Shravanti. What, ma? Sumit Kumar. More than once. Okay. You are committing mistake. So your salary is called 50,000. 5,50,050 rupees is your salary. They will call, company people are calling L, 150 rupees will come in your hand. Would you like to take L, more than once? Never, never. So I need to say L will come only one time. If XC will come how many times? If C will come how many times? More than one time. Loop. Next CD will come how many times? One time. If D will come how many times? One time only. If CM will come how many times? One time. Now M will come how many times? Many times. This is the logic analysis. So I will do simply with the looping, where you can get the good command over the subject. So let us start the looping part. Let us start the looping part. See, how do you do this? Now I'll go to others. I will take your logic only. So Python. Careful. Right? Roman.py. I will take def one function I will use. Normal to NN. Normal to Roman. Normal to Roman. I will take one number. Given number is called N. I will write here. If N less than or equal to 0, N less than or equal to 0, I will say simply print invalid number. So Roman numbers will not contain negative numbers and 0. We will not have 0 Roman number. Negative numbers also will not contain. Invalid input. I am giving that. First follow this logic, what I am explaining. So format of N. I got this number. Else part I am going to take. Now the conversion starts. Now the conversion will be starting. From where the conversion will start? Look at this. Now I am writing while first my number will start. Assume that my number N is equal to, I am taking a comment here, N is equal to 2,900 for example. Just for a sample thing. N greater than or equal to 1,000. The number may be more than 1,000 or equal to 1,000. That time what I will do? Print off. I will say N, that is called M. M I am printing. End with some space. Because I want to print in the same line. What is that end with the same string? If I did not explain, I will explain that. Nothing to worry at this moment. Now, if it is 2,900 greater than 1,000, yes, true. Print one M ended with some space, because I need to print in the same line. Next, I will say when M is printed, I should write N is equal to N minus 1,000. When M is printed, I have to subtract N from that. What is that now? 2,900 minus 1,000. 1,900. 1,900 greater than 1,000. Again true. What is printed? M is printed. Already one M was printed. Again one more M is printed. Now 1,900 minus 1,000. 900. Go back. 900 greater than 1,000. False. False means coming to the next part. What is that? Next slot I need to take. What is our next slot? We did already. 900 is the next slot. What is the slot recognition? If. Already I made everything ready. If. Be careful. N greater than or equal to 900. Say what? I will happily copy this statement. What I will write here? CM I will write it. CM. N is equal to N minus 900 I will write it. Easy. Now from now onwards, I'll just copy paste. I will go on doing it. N greater than or equal to 900. Print CM. 900 minus 900. It is 0. You need not to go back. Why? Because 900 will come only one time. Here I cannot write while loop. You can write while loop. Unnecessarily, what is the need of going for that? 900 will come only one time. Now, why should I make the PVM control to go back and wasting the repetition time? Like that. Next is called what? 500. Next 400, 100, 90, etc. I will go on writing the things. Let us write quickly here. I am writing like this. Follow me. I am writing if statement. 800 I am writing. 800 I am writing. This is called 800. Sorry. What is this? 500. Tell me that slot, sir. Somebody interact with me. D. What is the number? 500. 500. Next I will write what? 400 I will write it. Next 400 I am writing. 400. What is this now? CD na? CD. Now 400 it is. 400. Now I am writing. Next what? While if while. What is my number? 1. What is this now? C. Minus 100. Next I will do. What is it? 50. 90 or 50? 90. That is called XC. 90. Next I will write what here? It is going to be called as what? 50. 50 means L. 50. Next I will write 40. 40. This is called what? XL. Next is called what? 40. 40. Next it is going to be called what? After that, X means what? While. It is called 10. Printing what? X. So subtracting 1. Next after that what? If 9. That is called what? IX. 9. Right? Next is called 5. If statement. 5. What is this? V. N minus 5. Yeah. Good. So many people are following me, interacting with me, because Sumit is followed by so many students. Right. Okay. Number of students are followed. 4. Very good. Next is called what? IV. N is equal to N minus 4. Right. Next last is what? I am waiting for you. What is the last? Last is what? Which one? Loop, while loop. I will say while loop. Right. While loop. Seema, while loop. Just I am using only N is equal to what? 1. Say what? I. Now 1, this is 1. After that, coming to this place. Finally, it is printing all the things. Else part of it, I am writing here println. Print off means cursor will come to new line. Yeah, take the n value dynamical. So I am writing main program. I am writing. N is equal to int of input of enter a number. Yes. Now call the function Call the function call normal function call. Normal to Roman. N value you are sending. Finally result will come. So here I will say one line. So to show you the good output, and it is going to be showing to you the final result here. Save this code. Right. Roman.py. Yes. Special functions only I saved it. Py. Roman.py. Enter a number. 99. See that XCIX. Okay. 3499. Start. 3499. Come on, all of you. How many thousands are there? 3. How many M's are there? How many M's? 3 M's. How much is left out? 3. How much is left out? 499. 499 means what is there? One CD is there. One CD. CD means how much? 400. 400 means how much is left out? 99. 99 means what? 90. XC means how much? 90. How much is left out? 9. 9 means what is that? XC. How perfect this program is. Enter it. Somebody is asking 2019, sir. 2019, sir. Enter whatever you like. 2000. 2 M's. 19 is called what? 19 is called what? 2000 ma. 2000 means this one. 10 means 1x. 9 means what? Ix. Okay. 50,000. Bruce Lee is asking. 50, 50, 50. 50, 50, 50. How many times this 50, 50, 50? Okay, very good. 50, 50, 50. Last you come to it. What is there? What is there? Right. Nothing is there, mind this. All thousands are printing. 50 thousands, 5 thousands, and last 5. That's it. 50 thousands means what? 5 lakhs contains so many thousands. So Simanchali is asking 3749. Simanchali is asking 3749. 3749. What is there? 3749. 3 sevens, 3 hundreds. 7 is called 1. D. D is 500. 249. 2 C's 49. 40. XL. 9 is called IX. Okay. One more is asking 1624. 1624. 1624. That is the answer. Satish is asking 235.12. Dear student, Roman numbers are there for normal numbers only, not there for decimal numbers, for your kind information. So Python is becoming more. Right. Fine, ma. Finished. So you enter whatever number you like. Take it. Take this code. Now, who has this code? They must be learned this. How is this program, guys? Kaushal Tata. Very nice. You only asked that. For you only I did this. Okay. Okay, ma. Right. Do it. This logic. First important thing is this logic, ma. Coding is very simple. Coding, what is there? You just take this code. You take the screenshot of it first. Nothing more. To print that end is equal to print in the same line. To print in the same line, I used it. If I use a print now, it is going to print the values one by one. Line by line, it will print. In order to not to getting to next line, end with some space. Here I did not give any space, but I said that it is end with that only. End with there only we say. Right. So, yeah, coding means our things only, our class only. You take any Python notes, coding will not be there. That's why they are not learning Python very well. Write down the coding quickly. Time is not there. It is becoming over. Within 10 minutes, you need to get it. I will explain that end part, next part also. Next level also I will explain. That's a very simple thing. Even I can go for a testing command prompt, I can explain. Separately, I will explain why to worry about it. Durga Prasad, why you, sir, why while only? So while loop I am using to print one value for this many times. I can go to for loop in which case, iterable object case. I already told you na in control success time. For loop is for iterable object like range object, list object, set object, tuple object. So whichever is convenient, we will use that. Yes, ma. Shiva, thank you, ma. So you okay? Shiva saw in YouTube. Shiva is saying, sir, I saw it in YouTube, sir, but it is very short and confusing, sir. But our code is excellent and understandable, sir. Yes, ma. You do it. Practice it. Rajshekar, I told you now, ma. how to guess, no, how to determine, you need to say. Guessing means it is a lottery, lottery. We are not doing any lottery here. Suppose if the digit is repeat, if the symbol is repeating more than once, Rashekar Day, if the symbol is repeating more than once, Satyam Sharma, I told you, ma, I will tell you end next time if you don't understand. I told you already. Same doubt you are saying again and again, again and again. Hmm? I said I will explain. Rashek Reddy. So if the value x repeating more than once, definitely repeating more than once means looping. Only one time coming. Conditional. Conditional means if statement I will use. Suppose x I m is coming more than once. I used while loops. 3 times I used while loops. Rest of the numbers will come only one time. That's why I used if statement. Monday onwards, we will introduce modules concept. Modules concept we will use on Monday. Most perfect. Monday onwards, you will get powerful coding. Still more than this powerful coding. I'm slowly coming down now. This 2900, I took it for only sample purpose. Even you can write on your own. You understand the logic now. No need to copy from here. You already understood the logic. You can do by yourself easily. When students, when time is 5:45, slowly people will try to jump out of the class. So they can't sit more than 1.5 hours. Monday onwards, please don't miss, ma. Monday onwards, please don't miss. Suppose if you miss on one day, modules, next topics which are coming now are going to be very, very important topics. And if you miss it, you will get the problem in the further classes. Yes, ma. So we are coming to main program only. One day I will tell you how to shut down the system with a Python code. One day I will tell you how to shut down the system with a Python code. How to switch off your mobile with Python code also we can do. How to switch off your mobile with Python code. Rashekar Reddy, wait ma. After completion of everybody, I will go for it. Next, further classes I will teach you ma. Further classes, because after modules na, I will go for that. After modules. Durga Prasad, yes. Yes, ma'am. Mohammed Sadiq. After modules, we will go for exceptionally. After modules, we will go for exceptionally. After exception handling, files. After files, whoops. Yes, ma'am. If all of them as written, you can leave the class. If you have completed that program, you can leave, ma. No problem. Over. Monday class, don't miss it. Very, very important session. Modules topic I will introduce. Satyam Sharma, not OPPS, no. Whoops, OOPS. Ajay Shahu, you take any project and you will do with left hand, left finger. After learning this coding standards, you will do like anything. Even in my class, I will tell you some mini project level examples to you from exceptions onwards. From modules only, I will start teaching to you. Okay, don't worry.